Hey guys, this is Jim Boyer, Marketing Manager at Wheels and Deals Auto Dealership in Pomeroy, Ohio. We got another truck we're getting ready to put on the lot. This is a 2008 Chevy Silverado. It's a 2500 heavy duty diesel engine, 6.6 liter Duramax. So another nice thing with this truck, we at the dealership, we just put brand new rims and tires, new wheels and tires on this truck. Nice expense on our part, but anyway, let's go ahead and do a walk around. We'll go on the inside. Nice chrome on the front, and another wonderful thing about this truck is low miles. It's a little over 100,000 miles. So you do have turn signals on both of your outside mirrors, the chrome running boards. It's got a hard tonneau cover that does lift up. Go ahead and do the walk around here. You got the hitch hooked up for the lighting system. Let me show you the cover back here. And you can see it does have tinted windows, sliding back glass. And continue to do our walk around. Go up here on the front. You can see the emblem for the 2500 heavy duty Duramax. So let's go ahead and take a look inside. So here we are looking in the back. It does have black cloth interior, black door panels. Carpet appears to be in extremely good condition. Headliner looks to be in good condition. Let's go ahead and take a look up front. Okay guys, here we are looking at the front of it. Do a little quick pan, show you the door panel. And you do have braking assistant right here, lighting controls, and we'll go ahead and hop on the inside. So here we are on the inside. We'll pan around just a little bit to give you a total view of this. And let's go ahead and get down here. I'll show you the gauges. And as I said, ladies and gentlemen, the mileage on this is just a little over 100,000 miles. It's slightly under 101,000, so extremely low miles for 2008. I do have steering wheel controls for cruise control. It does have connectivity for Bluetooth phones, so your smartphones can connect audio up and down. Go over here is your shift on the fly for your four-wheel drive. And look at the main command center. Here's your stereo system. It does have CD player, dual climate control, and 3 cup holders, armrest, and a lot of storage. And of course this whole armrest does flip up, and you can see the back seat, and there's ample leg area. So that's it, ladies and gentlemen. That's the tour for our 2008 Chevy Silverado 2500 3/4 ton heavy duty truck. Brand new wheels, brand new tires, chrome running board, 6.6 liter diesel engine Duramax. So if you have any questions, feel free to give us a call, 740-992-4443. We have many different financing options. With that, have a great day.